Hi, I'm Martin Olivier, strategic buyer at SOPRA. SOPRA is proud to manufacture insulation board containing up to 70% of recycled material. The recycled content is validated by a third party. Our extrusion process allows us to manufacture with the highest recycled content in North America. Our Sherbrooke plant is recycling more than 10,000 metric tons of polystyrene waste that would have normally ended up in landfill. Whether it is food trays, piece of packaging that protect your brand new TV, or simply fish boxes from your local seafood store, plastic number 6 is one of the easiest plastic to recycle, contrary to popular belief. We at SOPRA are even prouder to say that we are working with many eco-centers throughout Quebec to collect polystyrene waste. Most of these drop-off sites are now accepting polystyrene material with other residual waste. It is interesting to note that 100% of polystyrene waste that we collect is recycled here at our Sherbrooke plant. Scrap are palletized and reintroduced into our formula to make brand new isolation board. Whether it is post-industrial or post-consumer waste, we can recycle it. Because recycling is our way to save the planet, we take great pride in what we are doing. SOPRA is a leader in innovation and makes products that exceed every rules and regulation on the market. We strongly believe that every little bit counts, so check with your local eco-center if they accept polystyrene, and SOPRA will do the rest. Make no compromise for our planet. Choose SOPRA-XPS.